How to connect Fireflies.ai to n8n step by step. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can connect Fireflies.ai with n8n. So let's get started. As you can see here, I have created this workflow for creating a script. But when I connect this Fireflies.ai to n8n, you can summarize your Google meeting or anything you can summarize using this workflow. Now let's get started and let's see how you can search for API and how you can set up credential for uh, Fireflies. So first thing first, what you have to do is head over to fireflies.ai and open the first link and click on this get started button. So if you don't know what is Fireflies.ai is, so it is basically an AI powered meeting assistant that joins your calls and recordings and transcribe conversation and deliver insightful summaries and smart action item. It is seamlessly integrated with popular apps like Zoom, Google Meet, Microsoft Team, and a lot of other meeting apps. But you can connect Fireflies with n8n. You can create a lot of automation using it. So first of all, you have to create an account. I have created this. Right now I'm using free. So let's first search for API. Now, after coming on this Fireflies dashboard, scroll down and find this setting option. Click on that button. And then from here, you have to search for AI customization. Just simply click on it and it will take you to this developer setting page. You can just simply click on this developer settings and it will take you to this API keys. Now just copy this. Now if you want to reset this API key, you can just simply click on this button. It will reset the API key. Now I need to just copy this and then get back to my workflow. Let's remove these nodes. Remove. Now, from the top right corner, open this notes panel and search for Fireflies. Now, scroll down. From here, you can choose the action, which action you want to perform. You have a triggered as well, but I'm using this action. You can upload the audio, you can get a transcript, you can get analytics of transcript, just whatever you want, just choose that. I will choose this get a transcript. Now, next, what you have to do is you have to set up your account. You have to set up your credentials. Now, let's connect this node with my other workflow. Now, open this node and click on this create credential to connect with. Now, click on this create new credential, paste this API key and save the button. Now, it will test the connection. As you can see here, wait for a few seconds. Now the connection has been successfully created. Close this and from here you can perform operation. From here you have to give a transcript ID. Just put that and execute this workflow. After the connection, you can basically save transcript to a Google Drive or Notion. You can send meeting summarize via email or Slack. You can trigger follow-up task in tools like Trello or ClickUps. You can analyze conversation and generate a summarize using AI basically. Basically, you will unlock hand-free post-meeting productivity. So this is all you need. You need this API key and connect with the n8n and create a workflow. If you want a video specifically on how you can create a workflow for Fireflies, just simply comment it down below. I will make a video for that. Thanks for watching.